All right, I'm here with Cheryl Ginn from Sellersburg, Indiana, and she was one of the early customers for the Pegas Scroll Saw. Cheryl, tell me about your experience with the saw so far.
Well, I've not had any vibration at all. I cannot believe how still and how quiet this scroll saw is. And it is out of the box, ready to just use, and I've not had a bit of problem with it. I do all the things that the manual says by taking the tension off, and that way I'm not putting strain on the blades. And it's just, I had a previous saw that I'd had for 35 years, and it was old and it did the job, but I literally had to clamp it down in order to use it. And this is past the Cadillac version of scroll saws. It's more Rolls Royce. I just absolutely, I cannot, and the value of it makes it even better, because the other scroll saws that would compete with this one it's almost double in the price. So I really love it. The guys, I saw it last year when they were here at Artistry in Wood, and they weren't going to have them available until after the first of the year. So I kept an eye out for them, and I actually got an order out of the second batch, because they sold out of the first batch so fast that when the second batch came out, I actually got them. So yes, I'm very thankful, and I cannot recommend any other scroll saw other than this for any of our crafts that we do, whether it's crafts or artwork that we do. It's just a perfect saw, especially with the price.
Wonderful. Thank you, Cheryl. That's wonderful. Thank you.